Once upon a time, in a small town called Lingua, there lived a young woman named Lily. Lily had always dreamed of traveling the world and experiencing different cultures. But there was one thing holding her back: her limited English-speaking skills. Determined to overcome this obstacle, she decided to enroll in a course called My Job Learning English Speaking Level 2. Lily's first day of class was filled with nervous anticipation. As she entered the classroom, she was greeted by her teacher, Mr. Thompson, who had a warm and encouraging smile. The room was filled with students from various backgrounds, each with their own unique reasons for wanting to improve their English. The course began with an introduction to basic conversation skills. They practiced common greetings, introductions, and simple questions. Lily felt a mixture of excitement and trepidation as she attempted to speak in English with her classmates. Though she stumbled over some words and made mistakes, she found solace in the supportive environment of the class. As the weeks went by, Lily's confidence started to grow. Mr. Thompson introduced more complex grammar structures and vocabulary, and the students engaged in lively discussions about various topics. They talked about their hobbies, favorite movies, and even debated current issues. Lily realized that learning English was not just about mastering grammar and vocabulary, but also about expressing her own thoughts and opinions. Outside the classroom, Lily was determined to practice her newfound skills. She joined a language exchange group where she met native English speakers who wanted to learn her native language. They would meet regularly to have conversations, helping each other improve their language skills. This real-life practice allowed Lily to apply what she had learned in class and gain valuable experience speaking English in a natural setting. Months flew by, and it was time for the final assessment. Lily had come a long way since her first day of class. She confidently stood in front of the class, delivering a speech about her journey to learn English. Her classmates applauded her, recognizing her progress and dedication. With her newfound proficiency in English, Lily's opportunities began to expand. She applied for a job at a multinational company that required English-speaking skills. During the interview, she confidently answered questions and impressed the interviewer with her fluency and articulation. Lily was offered the job, and her dream of traveling the world was finally within reach. As she boarded her first flight to a foreign country, she reflected on her journey and how learning English had transformed her life. It was not just about a language. It was about opening doors to new possibilities and connecting with people from all walks of life. From that day forward, Lily never stopped learning. She continued to improve her English, constantly seeking opportunities to practice and immerse herself in the language. As she embarked on her adventures, she discovered that the ability to communicate in English had become her passport to the world, unlocking countless opportunities and enriching her life in ways she had never imagined.